Welcome. Let's talk about price charts. Have you ever looked at one with all those spikes and dips and just thought, this is just random, chaotic noise? Well, today, we're going to pull back the curtain and decode that chaos. We're going to learn how to read the story the market is actually trying to tell us, one candle at a time.
Does this look familiar? I bet it does. It's a super common feeling, right? It just looks so unpredictable. But what if I told you that underneath all that chaos, there's a real narrative, a structure that you can actually learn to read?
And the key to unlocking it is something called market structure. The best way to think about it is this. It's the hidden story of how institutional money, the smart money, is deliberately moving price from one key area to another. It's not random at all. It's a hunt. And today, we're going to learn how to track those hunters.
So here's our game plan. First, we'll get into the why of it all. Then we'll define exactly what a market structure shift is. We'll clear up some of the jargon, build a practical toolkit, and finally, learn how to spot the fakes. Let's dive in.
All right, first up, the market's hidden story. Before we get into all the how-to stuff, we really need to understand why this matters. Why does understanding the structure give traders such a massive edge?
Okay, section 2. What is a market shift? This right here is the heart of our explainer. This is the early warning system that traders are always on the lookout for. Put simply, a market structure shift, or MSS for short, is a pattern that gives you a heads up that a trend might be about to reverse. Think of it like the first crack in a dam. It's that very first clue that the current momentum is starting to fade and the other side is about to take control.
And this chart shows it perfectly. See how the price is walking down the stairs? Lower lows, lower highs. That's a classic downtrend. But then, bam, look at that aggressive push-up. The second it breaks past that last little step down, that is your market structure shift. It's the first hint that the sellers are getting tired.
Now, not every little wiggle on the chart counts as a real MSS. For a shift to be valid, you gotta look for a few key things. It's usually signaling a short-term reversal, and it has to happen at a key turning point, a swing high or low. But the most important piece of evidence is a sharp, aggressive price move. We call this displacement. And those big, full-bodied candles you see, that's not us retail traders. That's the footprint of big money.
Okay, let's tackle the alphabet soup of market structure. MSS, BOS, and CHoCH. I know, they sound almost the same, but they mean very different things. Getting them mixed up is like trying to use a hammer to turn a screw. So, let's get this straight.
And it's a totally fair question. A shift, a break, a change of character. What is the real difference? Well, each one is telling you something very specific about what the market wants to do next. And confusing them is probably one of the fastest ways to end up on the wrong side of a trade.
This table lays it all out, but let's make it way simpler with an analogy. Think of an MSS as a yellow traffic light. It's a warning, right? It says, hey, pay attention, things might be changing. A BOS, or break of structure, that's the green light. It says, keep going, the trend is still your friend. But a CHoCH, or change of character, that's a giant road-closed, detour-ahead sign. It's telling you the whole long-term journey has changed direction.
So let's just hammer this home. MSS is your early warning light. BOS confirms you're still on the right path. And CHoCH tells you the entire map has been redrawn. 3 totally different signals for 3 very different market scenarios. All right, next section, a trader's MSS Toolkit. Because spotting an MSS is just step 1. Now we're going to see how to combine it with other signals to get a much clearer picture. A concept traders call Confluence.
See, an MSS by itself is just a clue, but when that clue shows up at a place on the chart that's already important for other reasons, well, its reliability goes through the roof. That's why smart traders almost never act on just one signal. They build a case. They look for a cluster of evidence all pointing to the same thing.
The first tool in our kit is the order block, and these are so cool. They're essentially the footprints of those big financial institutions. They are specific zones where a massive amount of orders were placed in the past, and these areas tend to act like magnets or walls for future price. So when you see an MSS happen right at one of these institutional footprints, you need to pay very close attention.
And this quote from Luigi_24 just nails it. Order blocks aren't just about finding a place to get in. They're your line in the sand. They give you a very clear level where you can say, okay, if price goes past this, my idea was wrong. And that is absolutely crucial for managing your risk.
Next up are fair value gaps, or FVGs. Imagine price moved so fast, so aggressively, that it kind of left a vacuum or an imbalance behind.
Well, the market doesn't like those empty spaces. It often wants to pull price back into that gap to fill it. And here's what one looks like. See that empty space between the candles where the price just shot up? That's our FEG, and it now becomes a point of interest, a target. So, let's say you spot an MSS that signals a reversal towards an FEG, like this one. Now that's a powerful combo. You've got a reason for the turn and a logical target for where price might be headed.
Okay, this section is critical. Avoiding false signals. How in the world do you tell a real, genuine shift from a head fake that's just designed to trap you and take your money?
This comparison right here is your cheat sheet. A true MSS breaks structure with the body of the candle. It shows real commitment. A liquidity grab, on the other hand, often just pokes through with a long wick before snapping right back. A true shift is followed by more movement in the new direction. A grab is just a quick feint to hit a bunch of stop losses before price goes right back to what it was doing before.
So let's put this into a simple 4-step checklist. Step 1. What's the big picture trend? Are we generally going up or down? Step 2. Did we get that clean break of structure, the MSS? Check. Step 3. Is there any other evidence? Look for a big spike in volume when the break happens. And step 4. Zoom out. Does what's happening on the 5-minute chart make sense when you look at the 1-hour chart? This little check can save you from so much trouble. And I have to be really clear here, spotting the most beautiful MSS in the world is completely useless if your risk management is a mess. This isn't just about finding a pattern, it's about running a system. Never risk more than 1 or 2% on a single trade. Make sure the potential reward is at least twice what you're risking. And please, put your stop loss in a logical place based on the structure we've been talking about. And when major news is about to hit, just maybe sit on your hands.
So let's bring it all home. When you really master market structure shifts, what you're actually learning to do is read the intentions of institutional money. It's about figuring out how to ride the wave with the biggest players in the market, instead of getting crushed while trying to swim against their current.
And that really brings us to the final, most important question. Spotting the shift, that's a skill. You can learn that. But the real challenge is, once you see it, can you actually execute your plan with discipline every single time? Because that, right there, is what separates someone who can read a chart from a trader who is consistently profitable. The analysis gets you in the game. Discipline is how you win it. Thanks for joining this explainer.